Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to register for online banking of Royal Bank of Scotland. So first we're going to go to our browser. We're going to search for Royal Bank of Scotland. Then click on the link there. So this is their official website. Then next we're going to click on products, then on bank accounts, then on everyday bank account. So here we're going to click on ready to apply. Then you're going to see the eligibility criteria. So click on continue after that. Then click on I'm completely a new customer. Then open a select account. Then click on yes or no, depending if you have the passport or driving license. Then you can start our application. Then you can fill out this form thoroughly. Then after this, you're going to click on next and fill out another form. So once you're done with that, you're opening your bank account. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.